What is up, Team Tiarrea B? If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I'm Tiarrea B, and I'm just doing me. And in today's video, it is Vlogmas Day 19, you guys. We are moving right along. I am super excited because I'm finally ahead of the curve, okay, you guys? I have literally been like a day behind almost all Vlogmas, but your girl got it together now. And I wanted to bring to you guys a video showing you an unboxing for my ring light. Sometimes my videos feel like they have like the perfect amount of lighting, and then sometimes I'm like, where did my light go, right? And so I finally caved in and I went ahead and bought a ring light. It was a very nice purchase from Amazon. I will put the link in my description so that if you guys want to purchase, you can. But I think this is going to be a really nice video. I've seen lots of ring light unboxings and I'm happy to be bringing one to you today. This whole package was, I want to say it was $39. The reviews were amazing on it. It had at least between 4 and 5 stars all the way down from all of the reviews. And so I'm very excited about that. I'm going to open it up with you guys here today. But first I want to tell you guys what I'm using for light before this, obviously. So right now I pretty much just have a lamp behind the camera, and then I have a really small ring light. It's like this small, and sometimes it hits perfectly and sometimes it's just not enough, right? So hopefully going forward the videos will be a lot brighter, and hopefully the content will be much better with the new ring light. I'm assuming that's how it's gonna work, right? So let's jump right in. This one is lightweight and it got here pretty fast. I have Amazon Prime, so I got it within a couple of days. This is what is inside, and I am very tall. I am 5'11", and so this stand should go up to 6 feet. So if I want to stand up and record, I definitely can do that. I don't know if you guys notice, oftentimes I do record, especially when it's a hair video. I often record in my bathroom and the lighting there is not as good. And so I'm very excited to have more lighting for the bathroom videos so that I can make sure to bring the best quality content possible. So this stand, first and foremost, looks very sturdy. So I like that. So I'll show you. So it can go all the way flat like that, or there's a little wind here. You can, let me show you. You can unwind it if you want to loosen it, or you can wind it up to tighten it. So I think that is really cool. Again, I'm just unboxing this. I really don't know exactly how this works, but I am going to read the instructions once I get done with the video. But anyway, so that's that. This is the stand. So this has different levels where it can go up, up, up. You can kind of keep it and make it stay. These lock it in. So you open these up like that, and you can pull it. That's one level, 2, 3, 4. So that's the final one. So look at that. That's a really long pole, you guys. So this literally, from where I'm sitting, it could touch my ceiling. And I'm gonna lock it in place so I can tap the ceiling so you can hear it. Listen. So this is gonna be awesome. I'm very excited already just opening this thing. So that is the stand. I'll sit this back here. Try not to knock anything over. And then, okay, so this also comes with it. And I haven't read the instructions, so I don't know exactly what's going on. But this is here. This looks like it's something that will allow me to attach maybe even a camera. This is like an attachment piece. So we'll put that to the side. And then what else do we have? Oh, this is cool. So this came with a little light that will attach to my phone, like directly to my phone, and there's a USB port here so I can charge it like that. So let's just take a look and see if this thing works. So there's a little button in the back. Oh, look at that. So let's see if we can take a look at the difference if I just put this on. So hang on. So now we don't have the extra light. So let's just put it on and see if it helps at all. Ta-da! So that definitely made a big difference. Just that little minor detail, just adding that little light there. I don't know if you guys can tell. I can see like my freckles. You can see my lip gloss is a little darker than usual. Yeah, so you can see the coils in my hair. I think that this is a really good addition to whatever you're using to film your videos. I think that's really awesome. So far I'm happy with even that little light alone. And by the way, that's about the size of the light that I had already. The light I had already is like a clamp. It's attached to something. It holds your phone. It's, you know, it's one of the ones, the smaller ones. It's like 14 bucks on Amazon. I used that for like a whole year. So I did good, you guys, without really investing too much into light. So now it's time to step my game up a little bit. Yeah. All right. So let's move right along and get into the main thing inside this box, which is the ring light. This is a 10-inch ring light, and you basically can just put your phone in the middle of it. So the phone goes here. There's a little stand, just a little hole here. You put that little stand piece there, and then it also has clickers, so it goes to 10 different brightness settings, and it's got the on and off, and it's got down and up, so you can hit all of the settings. And then this says model, so I don't know what that means just yet. I have to look that up, but I don't know if you guys can see. And then this is connected with a USB cord as well. And so that is awesome. So let's see what else we got. Let's move some of this stuff out of the way. So of course there is a user manual here, and a ring light user manual for the light itself and for the stand. So good stuff here. And then inside the box there's a little, okay, so now I see what the other part went to earlier that I showed you guys. So that actually screws in here or in here so that you can put your phone inside. So it looks like it widens up pretty well to fit different sizes of phones. And then it looks like there is another one that you can use. So if you want to use it more like a selfie and hold it in your hand, there's this bendable thing here, and you can put your phone in this one as well, which is awesome to give you some options. I really love that, because now that I'm getting into vlogging, it's going to be nice to have something that I can bring on the go with me to have in hand if I just want to hold it. And then looks like they gave me another option. That one is pretty cool. So so far I see 3 different pieces that I can use to hold my phone and allow me to have different angles, much more flexibility with it. And then look at this, you guys. This is a really good value. Seriously, you guys, look into this if you need a ring light. So this one I think is really cool. It is a actual button, you guys. So if I want to click it to take the picture, I can link it. It's probably Bluetooth. I'd imagine that is Bluetooth. I'd have to look and see. But there's an on and off button here, and then you can click it to take pictures. So that way I can take pictures from this instead of having to actually push the button on my phone. So you can put this together to keep it in, and there. Now you can just put that in your hand. You want to take some pictures, you want to pose, you can just, right? So that's awesome. I'm excited about that. Only a couple more pieces in here. There is this one here, and this is more like a small desk tripod, like if you want something smaller. Everything has screws to it, so you can screw it on top of this one, and you can make it to where, let me see if we can figure it out. So you got this here, and then this right here looks like it's going to attach to this. So you basically screw this on like that. That looks good, right? Then you take this piece, and you see you want to screw this together like that. And then you have a nice place to put your phone. You can move it sideways. You can loosen this up. There's a ball on the inside to give you that flexibility like that. And then you can tighten it back up if you want it to just stay like that. So pretty nice. Very, very nice. And it's good quality, you guys. This is some good solid metal here. Okay, so that's good. And then last but not least, I want to make sure that the light itself actually works. So let's do that. Here we go. This light is very lightweight, so it's not going to be hard to carry throughout the house if I want to record anywhere else. If I want to do a cooking video or something for you guys, I'll feel better that I have lighting wherever I go. So no matter what it is that I'm doing, it will be good quality for you. So I'm excited about this purchase, you guys. Comment down below if you have a ring light and has it made things much easier and has it increased the quality of your videos. Let me know. So here, this is really long. It's giving me lots of flexibility with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in. Hang on a sec. Okay, you guys, so I got it plugged in, and so far what I've done is I turned off my very first light that I had initially. So I turned that one off, and then I'm gonna turn off the one that I just put on there, the one that I just got. So this is the little one I just got. So I'm gonna turn this one off. So that one's off. And so now what you're seeing is the natural light that's in my office, right? This is just the little lamp and the lights that are in here regularly, guys. So now let's see the difference when I go ahead and turn this one on and put it behind the phone. Because I do film with my phone. I don't film with the camera right now. I have a camera, but I haven't figured out how to, you know, get the videos onto my computer, and I haven't found out what editing software I want to use. So I love using my phone for that reason until I figure out what else I want to do. Okay, and so I'm glad that that just happened. So what just happened was the lamp that I have to the left of me, it actually just kind of went down. It's one of those lamps that kind of hover over. So it went down, so I really have poor lighting right now. So this is actually really good. So let's see what happens when you turn this on. Whoa. So that's pretty bright, right? And it doesn't make much difference when it's on this side, but let's see what difference it would make when I put it behind the phone. Much better, right? And that's without the stand. It's just the light. So the light has several different settings. So that's the first setting. I'm going to just continue to turn it up and see what happens. 2, 3. Definitely feel like I am getting brighter. I look shiny, you guys. And then I'm going to push this M for model. I don't know what that means, but let's see. Okay, so it gives me different types of light. So maybe a soft glow for if I'm doing makeup or something. Woo, this is like an LED light. I'm having too much fun. And this is the back to the regular light right here. So this is the regular light, and then so you can just turn it all the way up if you want. So that is awesome. So that light, I think, is definitely making a big difference. All right, you guys, so right now I have my lamp back in place, the small ring light I just got, in the big 10-inch ring light, and I'm just kind of holding it. So I'm definitely grateful for the extra light I have. I feel like it definitely increased the quality of the video, and that's just with me just kind of holding it. So I can imagine once it gets in place like it's supposed to be, it's going to be even better. So comment down below if you like this video. All right, you guys, so before I close out this video, I just wanted to assemble it completely, take some pictures, kind of play around with it, let you guys know what I learned during the process of setting it up. And basically it was really easy to set up. I just had to read the instructions just for a few moments to really connect the light with the pole. Once I did that, I was good to go. So hopefully you can tell a huge difference. I have my light completely set up. I'm only using the ring light, the big ring light. I got rid of the 2 small ring lights, and now I just have the lights that were naturally in the room, as well as a lamp and my new ring light. So I'm very excited about this purchase. I was able to figure out how to connect this little device to my Bluetooth, and I could easily snap a picture and not have to worry about reaching to push a button or anything like that. So this is amazing purchase. I hope you guys find this video enjoyable. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hang out with me for the rest of Vlogmas, and stay tuned for future videos. I am Tiarrea B, and I am out. Bye.